Hi. All right. We're going to do a little yoga, starting in child's pose. So child's pose ultimately looks like this. And your head is resting on the floor. You're sitting back on your heels. So if you've never done this before, it won't look like that. You can tuck your toes under if you want. You can play with that, feel what feels better. And you can also put your head on your hands or even on stacked fists if your head is not going to be going very low today. So see if you can find a way to rest your forehead. If you have blocks, that's great, but you can even, if your head doesn't reach to your fists, you could put a pillow on top and see if that helps. And worst case scenario, you have nothing to rest your head on, that's fine, just let it hang. And we're gonna breathe here for 5 breaths. Breathing in, breathing out, surrender your entire back of your neck. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing your head, your mind. Breathing in, breathing out, surrendering through your torso, your hips. Breathing deeply and letting go. Last breath, breathe in, breathe out, and then on an inhale, we'll roll up, head comes last, and coming forward onto the hands and knees for cat-cow. Your wrists are below your shoulders and your knees are below your hips. You inhale, look up, tailbone up, belly drops. And on the exhale, opposite motion, round your back, drop your head, drop your tailbone. Inhale, look up, release your belly towards the floor, tailbone up. Exhale, round your back. Relax your neck and head. Keep going with your breath. Close your eyes, feeling into your spine here. Exhale. And this is a nice slow pace, but if you ever want to cultivate energy, you can speed this up quite a bit. But for now, we're going to keep it at this mellow pace, about 5 breaths for each of these poses. And then tuck the toes under, coming into downward dog, lifting the hips up, creating a triangle with your body. Your heels are reaching towards the floor. They won't get there probably this year or next, but you can reach in that direction. Feel that stretch through your calves. Your knees might be bent, that's fine. And you're pressing evenly through your arms and hands. Relax your neck and head, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in and out. In, out. Imagine full body breaths in and out. On the next inhale, walking the feet up towards the hands. And we're gonna just hang here so you can have your knees pretty bent as you need. Holding onto the elbows and letting your neck and head relax, dangle. Feeling the whole back body stretching and decompressing here. Deep breath in and out. Let's take about 5 more breaths here. This is such a good one. going at your own pace. Let the breath be full and relaxed. The next inhale will roll up. So take your time coming up. Knees are bent and you're stacking each vertebra as you come. Breathing deeply in and out. Coming to standing in Tadasana, mountain pose. Your feet are hip width and parallel. Your tailbone is dropping. You could have your knees slightly bent. Your shoulders are relaxing back and down. Belly's relaxed. Heart is soft. Face is relaxed. Back of the neck. And we're coming into equilibrium here. Feeling balanced over left and right, front and back. Accessing neutrality. Feel a grounding happening from your pelvis down, through your legs, through the feet into the earth. And a lifting happening through the crown of your head. A buoyancy in your heart, and relaxation through your hara, your organs. And we'll try a half sun salutation here. Inhaling the arms up, out to the side, reach up. Exhale, folding at the hips, back into that forward fold that we were just in. Bring your hands to your shins. Inhale, lengthen through the crown of the head, lengthening the spine, coming halfway up. Exhale, fold deeply, back to the forward fold, letting the neck and head hang. Inhale, all the way up. And exhale, arms down, coming back to Tadasana. So that was a half sun salutation. Let's do it again. Slowing your breath down so that you can inhale here. Exhale here. Swan diving down. Relax the neck and head. Inhale, head comes last into this halfway up position, tabletop back. And exhale, fold deeply. Knees can be as bent as you need them. Inhale, everything. Reverse swan dive up. Breathing in, collecting your energy. And exhaling, the arms down, standing tall in your mountain pose. Balanced. Inhale, one more, reaching up. Saluting the sun, folding forward on the exhale. Inhale, halfway up, hands to the shins. Get some length through your spine. Exhale, fold deeply. Release. Inhale, everything comes back up, arms out to the sides, reaching up. And arms come down on the exhale. Bring them together at your heart. Take a breath at the heart. And exhale, bow to your beautiful heart. Namaste.